have to say goodbye one last time.
Guys, welcome back once again. This same day I just came back from a wedding ceremony and I got a call. As I told you guys, this weekend, I love weekend because there are so many funds in it. Yes, I love weekend from Friday. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys. I just want to show you guys how my area, my street looks like when it's rain, because I came back with that rain and I'm going out again because this water here cannot stop my phone this night. Cannot stop me from going out. I'm used to, understand. Then to my village people that used to say, I think they stay for Port Harcourt. Make una see say na Port Harcourt where I stay. See how water, see how would they swim the water. When you know call me, tell me say, show you there for Port Harcourt. Make I show you now how my own Port Harcourt today. Say I dey live Port Harcourt for water. I could see my own Port Harcourt how it did. So guys, let me show you guys how my streets looks like, because coming out from your house you have to step inside water before you head out to go to where you are going, and I will definitely show you my street. How they were funny. This water here, I have swim all of them, all this water right from my domot. I've swim them. So let's go. I'll be showing you, because all these things you are seeing, I'm going to be putting leg inside. If you don't have rain boots, sorry for you. Ooh. So guys, can you see how this water, how this place looks like? Can you see how this place looks like? The water has even gone down compared to the time I was coming back from the wedding. So can you see? I just see how this place looks like. Say no, I cannot put leg inside this water again. I have to climb bike and cross this place. So I was giving this girl the slippers she borrowed me when I was coming back from the wedding, because the car that dropped me, and I cannot put my Christmas shoe inside this water now, so I have to borrow slippers from them. So this is me crossing this water with this bike, because I cannot put leg, because I'm heading out. Supposing I'm going to the house, I could have put leg, but this one I'm going out. Hey, before my clothes will stand. So I have to put leg. So enjoy. Please thumbs up to this video, subscribe if you have not, and don't forget you are Auntie Nelly's family. See you guys.
Laptop and phone. Another man put hand for head in the thing. Waiting all of them they find. Now the cash. If you get them now, how are you? You know get them now, who be you? Leave my tap pepe na pepe. Money good. If you get them now, sugar. You know get them now, so far. Leave my mata pepe na pepe. Money good. If you get them now, sugar. You know get them now, suffer. If mata poor man life now, wow. Money good. Labor and plenty work, one breaking road. All got there for office, laptop and phone. Another man put hand for head in the thing. Waiting all of them they find. Now the cash, if you get them now, how are you? You don't get them now, who be you? Leave mata pepe na pepe. Money good. If you get them now, sugar. You don't get them now, suffer. Leave mata poor man life now, wow. Money good. If you get them now, how are you? You don't get them now, who be you? Leave mata pepe na pepe. Money good. If you get them now, sugar. You don't get them now, suffer. Leave mata poor man life now.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. I don't show the product.
Nah, sugar wait they talk. They dey find.
We are there.
We are there.
No. If you ask me now, you go no say you ask me.
Nah, that 5 and 10. No. You gotta go.
I do.
Yes, I do.
Me, I'm not going to anyway.
One day I got to do it.
So,
One day I got to do it. They will definitely find us guilty.
I got find that good.
Even while we are righteous,
that's true.
That is good.
Leave that talk.
they are going to crucify them.
I hear that.
Crucify him.
I don't forget that.
When you run, I let you crucify him.
I don't want to do it.
That's
I'm not going to crucify him.
if when you run, they are not guilty. I think crucify him.
He's guilty.
But who they
They are
guilty?
guilty.
They are guilty.
But no, I'm not guilty.
Why is he guilty?
There's no hang. I hold you.